Okay, my dear students, so next topic is elasticity of supply. So as you can see here, there's two things, perfectly elastic supply and perfectly inelastic supply. So here in perfectly elastic supply, an increase in demand can be made without any change in price. So here you can see that price is fixed, but in fixed price, demand is changing. Demand is changing, it means then supply is also changing. Before supply was this, now supply has been shifted to right hand side. Okay, so here without changing price, there is change in demand. So in case of perfectly elastic supply, without changing price, there is change in demand, and with change in demand, supply too is changing. And in case of perfectly inelastic supply, you can say that supply is fixed. In this case, supply is fixed. Okay, this is our supply and cannot respond to change in demand. So there is no response, just though the demand is changing, but there is supply is fixed. Okay, so we can say that in case of perfectly inelastic supply, there is no change in supply quantity. Okay, no change in quantity supplied, though the demand is increasing, but there is no increase in quantity supplied. So because of increase in demand, price is increasing. Okay, so we can also say that due to increase in demand, okay, supply is fixed. When the supply is fixed and demand is increasing, so due to change in demand, price is also changing. Okay, so if in demand is increasing, price is also increasing. If demand will suppose decrease, due to this, price too will decrease. So it's happen in perfectly inelastic supply. And in case of perfectly elastic supply, though the demand is changing, but price is fixed. Okay, so there is no effect of price due to change in demand in case of perfectly elastic supply. So we can say that if supply is perfectly elastic, it means that any change in price will result in infinite change. Okay, infinite change, so infinite amount of change in quantity, infinite amount of change in quantity. And in case of perfectly elastic demand, means that quantity demanded will increase to infinity when the price decreases, and quantity demanded will be decreased to zero when price increases. So dear students, I hope you all understood this. In case if you will have any doubt, you can ask me personally.